Good morning, dear students. We get back to work on the chapter The Fun They Had, the first chapter in Beehive. We dealt already paras 1 to 4 in the previous lecture. In this lecture, I would like to cover paras 5 to 10. So, in para 5, the author discusses how the county inspector was happy about the accomplishment of the task of repairing. Yes, he was merrily finished almost. He contributed maximum energy to solve the problems in the computer and then repair it. So, the sentence he was finished mean the same. The county inspector also made it clear to Mrs. Jones, the mother, about the problem in the computer. So the geography sector in the computer adjusted to a particular standard. The sector was in an advanced level of teaching which was reduced to the little girl's standard, that is an average standard of 10-year level. He also intimated that the overall impression of the computer was now satisfactory and good. Paraphrase para number 6 and 7 8. The county inspector successfully done the job of repairing. We are all aware about it. So on hearing such a good news, Margie was disappointed. Why Margie was disappointed after hearing the good news about repairing? Is it not a good news for Margie? Margie was disappointed because she thought that the geography sector in the computer could not be resolved by the county inspector. She underestimated the county inspector that he would never resolve this issue. So the intention behind is that she would be very happy for sometimes, at least without a geography teacher, which gave a lot of hard work and headache to her. And the same way, she also remembered back about the Tommy's history teacher who went to repair for about a month, in which Tommy was very happy. Secondly, schooling, she meant also the virtual classroom setup in the home. She was not aware the old school system in which we study today. Under this impression, she also pronouncing the statement, why would someone write about school? The meaning is that what is actually there in the school and what is to write about the school. Tommy briefed Margie about the old kind of school in a superior way, in which people had 100 years ago followed. Otherwise, you can also say that many centuries ago, the school had a human teacher. He told the boys and girls many things. He also gave them homework. So he asked the question to the children and replied the answers also, as well as he was a very smart man himself, the human teacher, aware about all the things that are happening in the world, as much as the romantic teacher knows about the present day. The teachers centuries ago never taught lessons in the room of a home, but in a school. It was a special building. All kids went there and learned the lessons in the same way as other children do. He also thought about the lessons to the boys and girls and taught the lessons according to the capacity of the children. Suppose there are 40 children in the classroom, the teacher was able to manage the 40 children successfully, and each individual talent of the student was identified, and then he offered a beautiful lessons. So the children in the school did not read the book in which they did not like it. So Tommy developed a curiosity about the old school. Margie was impressed by it, and then she wanted to read about the details of the old funny schools surprisingly. Margie could not be able to continue talking to Tommy at this point of time, as she felt already late for her schoolroom, and she left immediately. So the mechanical teacher taught the lessons to Margie. He taught lessons Monday through Friday. It was always holidays for students on Saturday and Sundays, and Margie's mother was very particular about studies, and she believed that the little girls learned better if they learned at particular time regularly. Even though the mechanical teacher taught Margie the basic arithmetic lessons on the particular day, she did not pay attention. Her heart was thinking about the old schools when her grandfather and grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So all the kids, those who studied in the old schools, laughing while going, shouting at each other and playing also in the schoolyard, and it was really a fun that they had. Going to school and coming back to school every day together is a matter of fun. Students sit together and learn the same thing and helping each other in their homework and discuss about the same lessons in their homes. So Margie felt about the kids of the old school. She imagined how the kids were loved the olden days of the schools. She also thought that what a great fun that they had in schools. So with this we complete this lesson, and I hope that the message is clear in the lessons. Thank you.